The HyperX QuadCast disconnecting issue primarily stems from unstable USB connections. This is often caused by insufficient power delivery, faulty USB cables, outdated drivers, or conflicting software settings. The microphone requires a stable 5 volts power supply. Fluctuations due to underpowered ports or cable resistance cause disconnects. Older Quadcast models using USB 2.0 can struggle with modern USB 3.0, 3.1 ports if they aren't supplying consistent power. Faulty USB cables can also lead to disconnection issues. Outdated or corrupted drivers can cause connectivity problems. Update your HyperX Annuity software to the latest version, such as v5.4 or later. This software often includes USB stability modes that prioritize the microphone's connection. Also, ensure your operating system has the latest updates. Check Device Manager for any errors related to the Quadcast, such as Code 43 errors. Update the drivers manually if necessary. Consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Quadcast drivers as a troubleshooting step. Windows Power Management can sometimes suspend USB ports to save energy, leading to disconnects for your HyperX Quadcast. First, go to the Control Panel and open Power Options. Select your current power plan and click Change Plan Settings. Then, click Change Advanced Power Settings, find USB Settings, and disable the USB Selective Suspend setting. Also, in Device Manager, find your HyperX Quadcast under Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click, go to Properties, then Power Management, and uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Certain software programs may interfere with the Quadcast's connection. Close any unnecessary applications that might be using the microphone or conflicting with its drivers. If you use OBS Studio or Discord, ensure they are updated to the latest versions. In HyperX Ingenuity, enable USB stability mode to prioritize the microphone's connection over other background processes. Test the microphone with minimal background applications running to identify potential conflicts. In some cases, BIOS settings can affect USB device connectivity. Ensure that USB legacy support is enabled in your computer's BIOS settings. If you're using a desktop, try connecting the Quadcast to a USB port directly on the motherboard, bypassing any front panel ports. Users with Intel 14th Gen CPU motherboards have reported issues due to stricter USB power management, so direct motherboard connections are crucial. Test on multiple devices to isolate faults if possible. If USB connectivity issues continue, consider upgrading to the HyperX QuadCast S. This model features Bluetooth connectivity, reducing dependence on USB cables and minimizing disconnection risks. Wireless solutions avoid many power and signal problems common with wired USB setups. While wired connections typically have lower latency, wireless stability may be preferable in setups prone to USB interference. The QuadCast S provides a reliable alternative for uninterrupted audio. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting steps and the HyperX QuadCast continues to disconnect, the microphone itself may be faulty. Contact HyperX support for warranty assistance or potential replacement options. Before contacting support, gather detailed information about your system, including your operating system version, driver versions, and troubleshooting steps you've already taken. Provide specific examples of when the disconnects occur to help the support team diagnose the issue.